Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to install the NASM which is needed for our assembly language programming. First of all, we'll see what do you mean by a NASM. The long form of the NASM is Net-Wide Assembler. It is an assembler and disassembler for the Intel x86 architecture. It can be used to write 16-bit, 32-bit and 64-bit assembly programs. NASM is considered to be one of the most popular assemblers for Linux. NASM can output several binary formats including A.out, executable and linkable formats, Mac-O and binary file. These are the steps for installation of NASM on Ubuntu. So here students, if you are having a Windows system or having a laptop in which you are having a Windows operating system, then you can install VMware Workstation, and on that workstation you can install Ubuntu. On that Ubuntu you are going to install NASM. I have mentioned a note here that make sure you are installing NASM in root login of that Ubuntu. So the very first step is to download the NASM, the recent folder, recent version of NASM. Save that folder. Then after that we are going to extract that folder. After extracting the folder, in that folder we'll search for configure file. Then we'll install that configure file. And then we are going to use two commands, that is sudo make and sudo make install. So nearly 8 steps summary wise I have mentioned here. So let's see these steps one by one. So the very first step is to download the NASM 2.15.02. This is the stable version or the latest version nowadays. It is compatible for your Ubuntu. So in Google, you are going to type NASM latest version. The next, the original website of this NASM is www.nasm.us. Click on that. In this website, you will get the stable version of NASM, that is 2.15.02. After clicking on that, you will get all the index files here. So this is the parent directory, and in this directory the various files are present. So for our NASM installation, we need tar.gz file, a tar folder. Okay, so nasm-2.15.02.tar.gz. Now the second step, after downloading that tar folder, we are going to extract that folder. So for that the command is tar xzvf nasm-2.15.02.tar.gz. So this command you are going to type it on the terminal. So let's see this one by one. Before installing this NASM, you are going to create your own folder. That folder name should be your roll number or GR number. You can put any one of that. Next, in that folder, you are going to keep this downloaded NASM tar folder. right? So whatever the work you are going to do, you are going to do in that roll number wala folder, right? So we want to extract this star folder in this folder itself. So open the terminal. Right? So cd, I want to go it into the created folder, CAOL. Yeah, now you can observe here that this is the folder which I have created. Now here I will type tar xzbf nasm hyphen 2.15.02.tar.zz, right? So now this folder has got extracted. Now let's check whether it has got extracted. See, previously only this star folder was present in my folder. Now the extracted folder is present, right? Now in this extracted folder, we are going to search for this configure file, right? So for that, you are going to use the command cd nasm hyphen 2.15.02. That means the extracted folder, you are going to go into that extracted folder. After going into that extracted folder, now you'll see this is your folder and this one is nasm's folder. Search for this configure file. Yes, it is present. Now we are going to install this configure file. So for that, the command is /configure. Okay. So let's see again step by step. Now we are going to go into that extracted nasm folder. So cd space nasm hyphen 2.15.02. Yes, so CAOL is my folder and nasm folder is the extracted folder, right? Now in this, just now I shown to you that in our extracted folder we have this configure file. So we are going to install this configure file /configure. Press enter. So for this you need internet connectivity to download the folder, tar folder, and to do the installation also you need the internet connectivity. Make sure students that you're installing this nasm in root login. If you're not doing it in a root login, if you're doing it in a guest login, everything will get installed up to /configure. When you will type the sudo make command, at that time it will throw an error that nasm is unable to install or you are not present in the root login. It will ask for the permissions for root login. Now it has got successfully installed. After that, the steps are: yes, you are going to use the command sudo make, right? And after that give the Ubuntu password, your root login password. After that you are going to use sudo make install. This command is the last command, and after this the nasm will get installed. So let's see in detail how these commands are working on the terminal, right? So I make the screen clear by using a command clear, clear. See, the screen got clear now. Now we will type a command sudo make, sudo space make, press enter. Now it is asking for a password of this Ubuntu, right? Yeah, the password is not visible to you. It's getting installed. It will take few seconds. Hardly 5 to 10 minutes it will take to install the whole Nazam. Yeah. Next, again clear the screen, clear, and the last command sudo make install. Yes. So successfully the Nazam has got installed. So come out of the folder Nazam. So for that the command is cd space double dot. Now I am going to work in my own folder, that is CAOL. So whatever the Nazam assignments you will be performing in your folder. That folder name should be your GR number or roll number, right? So come out of the Nazam folder after the all installation procedure, and here in this folder you will start making the assembly files. So this we will see it in the next lecture. Thank you very much.